Hello friends and welcome to a new video on Solidworks sketching. So today the sketch which we are going to draw is this one. So this is a simple sketch. With this sketch we'll learn how to use this mirror sketch command. So first I'll start a new part. I hope you have took a screenshot of the part which I've shown before. This is the part which you're going to draw today. So first I'll select the units. I'll make it mmgs. Go to sketch. I'll sketch in the front plane, and first I'll draw two center lines. You can take center lines from here, or how I take it is I have set up mouse gestures for center lines. Okay, so I'll just draw a line over here and then over here. What I'll do is I'll take a line and then line 2, then draw like this. After that I'll just give the dimensions. This is 20 and this is 20. This is 20 over here. You can see it's not the one side dimension, it's a two side dimension till this part. I've shown you how to make these dimensions in a previous video. It's just simple. You have to click on this line, then click on a center line and then drag. Then you'll get a dimension like that. After that we have this 140, 140. Just click on this 140, click and drag, make 140. So that's set. After that we have this 160. Click and on this is 160. So right now it's fully defined. Now it's simple, guys. You just have to mirror. Click on this mirror entities, select all these and this one too, and click on mirror about. I want to mirror this about this. Press OK, and now again press on this mirror entities and select all these. After that while selecting, I'll just delete it for you to show that. I'll just close this. Okay, so if I click on mirror and if I select from this part, if I click on the left side and drag towards the right, then you can see that these two lines will not get selected. If you want those two lines selected, if you want the whole sketch entity selected by selecting one of its parts, then what you should do is you should click on this right side and drag towards left. Then you will be able to do that. I have explained this in a previous video, but still I thought of telling this one more time. And I'll have to mirror this about this, and that is it. You can see that the sketch is fully defined. So now let's go to the next sketch. So this is the next sketch which we are going to draw. So you can take a screenshot right now. Okay, I'm going to minimize this, and then I'll just go to the sketch tool, select the front plane, and then this time let's do this by selecting a circle. I'll draw a circle, and then I need two midpoint lines, construction lines. I've set up a shortcut. You can also choose it from here. So I'll go like this and then go like this. If I want to exit from this line, you just have to do right click and then click on this select. Oh, I need it to be a construction. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just draw a line from here. I could make a rectangle too, but still I'm going to go with the line. Or should I go with, okay, rectangle is easier, I think. I'll choose a central rectangle and I'll draw a rectangle like this. Okay, now I'll just select this trim entities and then trim all this and these two. Okay, Now I have the distance between them to be 20. It's 20 mm. Okay. And the diameter of the circle is actually 50 is the radius, that means 100 is the diameter. If I want to display this as a radius, then you just have to right click on this dimension and click on this display as radius. This was also explained in a previous video. Now, oh my god, this is not symmetric right now. What I should do is I should just select this line and then click on this line and then this central line and make them symmetric. And now I need to trim something. What do I have to trim? I have to trim this. Okay, so that is it. Yeah. One more thing. This dimension is 60. That is 60. Oh my god. I need to click on these two and I'll give equal relation so that they are equal. And now what I'll do is I'll just offset this thing by 4 millimeters. Okay, I'll just select this offset entities and select this thing. Okay, I'll just change the dimension over here to be 4. And yes, I need to be downward. If I wanted it in the other direction, I could have clicked on this reverse. So now I'm clicking OK. Now the only thing left to do is you just have to join these two and then take the sketch tool and okay, that is it for this sketch. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day, and to share your comments in the comment section.